I can only assume that it was wet when you did it,
Yeah.
and you may have tracked it out. If it's a hybrid Bermuda grass, listen to me closely. Do not put seeds in your lawn. If you have a hybrid Bermuda grass and you ran over it and you tracked it out or you burned it out, put a bare spot in it, the best thing you can do is just to get some sand, play sand, regular sand, whatever kind of sand you can get. Fill that whole spot in, level it out, and in about 3, 4, 5 weeks, it'll start to fill itself in. As long as you got sun and you fertilize as normal. If you oversee or put seeds, Bermuda seeds, in a bare spot, it's going to be patchy if it takes. It may be light green, not the same texture. It's just not going to look good to you anyway. Now, somebody passing by, they may not notice it, but I personally would not put seeds, use sand or a sand, a landscape mix, what we call it. Got sand in topsoil in it and put it in there. And I'm talking about the soil that has the little broken pieces of wood in it. A lot of people just want to get straight soil that's just nothing but soil, but the ones that have the little pieces of sticks in it, that's going to keep that stuff from washing out when it rains. All
Nice.
right, what we got here? Next question.